When I scream steez, you say on 100. When I scream steez, you say on 100. My people, Chivido don't finish work. Oh. When I see this outfit here, this is the first outfit of Chivido. I mean Chivido 2024. When I say steez, you say on 100. This steez is on 100. I mean excessive steez. This is their first outfit, so beautiful. Here come the second outfit. Chivido just the press neck. Oh, these people just they choke us since morning. When I say he choke, you say he choke. He choke. Chivido just finished work. This is beautiful and elegant. Steez on another level. Steez on another level. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. Here come the third outfit. Adada, Chioma of the good life, Chioma of the Igbo land. This is so beautiful. This is beautiful and elegant. Queen Chioma, Omo. This is excessive steez. This is excessive steez. Steez on another level. Steez of the good life. This is so beautiful. Adada. Chioma assurance. You don't collect your own assurance. So I love this. It's so beautiful. Mrs. Adeleke. Oh boy. Oh boy. She's so beautiful. This is Mrs. Adeleke. Mrs. Adeleke with the sauce. Just be pressing next anyhow. Oh, see, beautiful girl. Now who born this fine girl? Gang. Now who born this fine girl? Eweleke. All the outfits are given. Look at this one. Oh, so beautiful. Davido's choice. Ada, Oremi, Adaku, Adanaya. Oh my God, this Chioma is so beautiful. Here comes the fourth outfit. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh boy, and her makeup is top notch. These people just finish work. Oh, they finished my data. Watch the moment Davido gifted his wife a brand new car. Say, carry this car, they do school runs for my twins babies. Oh my God. Some people say it is better to cry in Dubai than to cry in Newi. It is better to cry in Manchester United than to cry in Aba. This is it. This is so beautiful. Mr. and Mrs. Davido Adeleke, una finish work. Person wey no like am, make the person go hug transformer. You guys just finish work. Omo, I wish you people nothing but love and pure bliss. May God make this love to be sweeter. Oh boy, when I finish work, oh, gang, make I go find my husband. Oh, gang. Queen Chioma of the good life. I wish you people well. I wish you people nothing but pure bliss. Enjoy your marriage.